Welcome again to the Military Guna TV. Thank you very much for joining me. And this is Arsenal versus Newcastle. Newcastle versus Arsenal in the FA Cup. Now, we got a fairly good draw. To be honest, we definitely got a good draw, and I do believe that this is another stepping stone for us to draw closer to where we want to be in the FA Cup, and it's another opportunity for us to win another trophy or another title, we would say, but we definitely have to get over that bridge before we can even talk about it. So it is the FA Cup third round draw, and we face Newcastle. Now, there are so many teams right now, and I do believe that we're not lucky when in regards to these type of draw. We normally get a Premier League proven team. We're not the lucky team to fight to play against a League 2 championship team or one of those teams that are struggling. We're always playing against either a mid-table Premier League team or a team that is in the top of the table in the Premier League. So we're not lucky with those draws. We're not lucky as some other clubs, especially Manchester City, where they relatively get some easy draws. So let's get into the game in itself. Before I get into the game, please I'm going to do the administration. Like, share, and subscribe to the content. That would help me a lot. And drop a like. I really do appreciate it when you drop a like and leave a comment. Just say something. Let me know what you guys think. Drop a like and subscribe. If you're new here, subscribe, drop a like. So even if you're just taking a glimpse at the video, drop a like, then you can move on. But always remember to drop a like. My social platforms are in my description. They're in the description, so you can go and check it out. So let me get into a bit of statistics. You know I love my statistics before I get into the game in itself. So I'm just gonna give you guys two. First thing first, Arsenal have only been eliminated at the third round stage of FA Cup in one of their last 24 campaigns. That is good. That is a very good statistics. With that coming against Nottingham Forest, the last time they entered the competition as the holders of the title. And that was in 2017, 2016, 2018 season, and I definitely remember that. Different underwhelming performance that day, but good thing about it that we went on and won it in the 2020 season. 2019-2020 season, and we won the season before, so it hurts, but it's something that we can live with. Second, statistics: Newcastle have been eliminated from 10 of their last 11 FA Cup ties against fellow Premier League opposition, with the exception being a 2-1 win against Blackburn, and that was in January 2012. So they are fairly well known for dropping out at this stage when they face a Premier League opponent. And I have something here. The last major trophy that Newcastle has won was the Intercity Fairs Cup. That was 51 years ago, and basically 7 months now. That was the last major trophy that Newcastle have won. So it is expected for Arsenal Football Club to win this game and move forward in the tournament. What I have coming up for you guys would be the starting lineup, and I have some surprising selection for the starting lineup. Some, I think many of you will not agree with me, but I have reasons for doing so. But the last time we have won a major trophy was actually in the FA Cup, just maybe 157 days ago. That was a few months ago in the FA Cup, where we defeated Chelsea, and a very good match as well. But that is it. So let me get into the things that we should look forward to. So Newcastle now, they are facing a lot of injuries. So Saint Maxim is out, and he would be one of the persons who I would definitely say will cause us many problems. And I won't say I'm happy that he's out, but I am a bit relieved that he's actually out. Lascelles is also out, and Fraser, and these are three dangerous guys who can hurt us. These guys can hurt us. So Wilson is a threat as well, but it depends on his the distribution that he gets that will actually affect us. So my predicted starting lineup, it might vary in some things that you guys may think, or what you guys may believe that Arteta may go with, but this is my predicted starting lineup. You can see I'm going to put it up right here now, and it is Leno in goal, Leno in goal, Bellerin at right back. I'm gonna put in Maitland-Niles for this one. Leno in goal, Maitland-Niles for right back. Holding Murray. The thing is, I do not want to trouble. I don't want to mix match the defense, because we have a winning formula with that defense, and they have been really performing well. And I would love for them to continue with that consistency, and with the game time that they build a partnership and move with the momentum. So I will not trouble the defense, the back four. So I'm going to go again. Leno in goal, Hector Bellerin, right back, Holding, Pablo Mari, centre back pairing. We know Gabriel is out. I think we have possibly one more game to miss, which will be this weekend, so it might be available for the Crystal Palace game. That's mine. And then now we have Kieran at the left back. In front of them in the double pivot, we know Arteta is a 4-2-3-1 manager. That's his formation. That is what he's going with. Partey and El Nini. Partey is coming back, and this will be a good introductory game for Partey, where he can at least get about 60 minutes in his leg to kick on and see how he will do for the Crystal Palace game. And he's the character that will definitely need for the Crystal Palace game, because Crystal Palace is a team, they love to use physicality, and they try to outman you physically to dominate the game. And Thomas Partey may be a massive contributing factor in that. So Thomas Partey alongside El Nini in the midfield battle, and as I said before, Granit Xhaka is a better midfielder than El Nini. Dani Ceballos is also a better midfielder than El Nini, but it's all about partnership and who complements who. Mohamed El Nini complements Thomas Partey, so I will definitely go with Mohamed El Nini. Now up front, this is where the problem lies. Now we have to give the young lads a rest. They have to get a rest. We cannot run them to wreck. It's not like the back four where we know these guys, they play but they're not as involved in the high intensity of the game. Maybe the wing backs, the full backs may be involved, but these guys are senior pros. Kieran Tierney, 23 years of age, Hector Bellerin, 24, 25 years of age, Rob Holding, 25, 24, Pablo Mari, 26. These guys are senior pros. But the youngsters, 19-year-old Saka, 19-year-old Martinelli, 19-year-old Emile Smith-Rowe, we cannot overburden them like that. I will definitely need them for the Premier League. So I'll give those guys a rest, and in come Nicolas Pepe on the right, Willian on the left, and Joe Willock in the central attacking midfield position. And up front, I'm going to go with Gabriel Martinelli. Now, there's a cause to say, let us play Aubameyang up front, let him get a goal, build his confidence, and he can kick on from that. But we cannot rely on, not necessarily cannot rely on that, but this is not such a massive game, and we cannot afford to lose Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang, even though he's not clicking at this moment. But anything can happen, and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang can start to click, and we can see the variety of goals that we have been seeing in the past few seasons. So go with Martinelli, let him get a goal in this game, and let Martinelli build his own confidence. And that would be my starting lineup. Let me go again. Leno in goal, Bellerin at right back, Holding, Pablo Mari, centre back pairing, Kieran Tierney on the left back. In the midfield pivot, Thomas Partey, Mohamed El Nini. In front of them, I'll go Pepe on the right, Willock in the central attacking midfield area, and Willian on the left. Martinelli to start up front. Now, there's a cause we can say, let us play Dani Ceballos in the number 10 position and play Ainsley Maitland-Niles alongside Thomas Partey. It's a beautiful cause and something that I would go with as well. But for now, this is my starting lineup. We have a winning formula, and that is the reason why Mikel Arteta is trying his best to trim the squad as much as possible, because the squad is too big, and you cannot have a good squad when you have too many unhappy players. You cannot run a good squad with so many unhappy players. But anyways, this is my starting lineup, and this is definitely what I would go with. And if you guys disagree with me, put it in the comment, tell me what you think. And okay, and top comment from my last video is actually It's Football. You can check out this channel as well. So thank you very much for tuning in. This is Military Guna TV. I want to say drop a like before you go, and if you're new here, subscribe. This is Arsenal versus Newcastle, FA Cup third round match, and this is my predicted lineup. Thank you very much for tuning in. Military Guna TV, I'm out.